Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So today Pitaka sent over the nice mag set. This is a part of their MagEZ collection. And they sent it over for the S20 Plus and the Ultra. So possible giveaway for that because I don't have the Ultra. So let's get into this. This is an ultra thin case and I love their packaging because this is just a case, but for the price that you're paying, they give you something that you could actually, make you feel better about spending that type of money. So it's not too much, but it is nice packaging. So here we go. This is their great presentation right here. It's always like this with them. They have great presentation for their cases, man. So again, this goes with the Easy Mag system. So I have tons of their magnets all over the place. I have actually I have all of these. I've got the ones, I've got that one. I've got all these for the car and just regular setup for each phone that I have. But that's the packaging. Won't drag that out. Let's go ahead and get you into this case right here. All right, here's my S20 Plus. And it just goes on. It's such a thin case. It just slides on just like that and it's on. Minimum protection, because remember this is a case that's a part of their Easy Mag system, which is you're going to be mounting the phone to different mag systems that you have. Now mine are obviously in the car, so that's why I'm not going to demo the mag system, but I do have them. So this is what the case looks like, and it's just a very nice, simple, plain. Even if this wasn't one of those mag cases, I think it's still really, really good. Even if it wasn't a part of their MagEZ system, I think it's really, really good. So it does work with wireless charging, as you can see here. And it's 0.85 millimeters in thinness. That's crazy. 100% genuine armored fiber. So basically, bulletproof material, but I still wouldn't go out and shoot the case with your phone in it. So these cases, as you can see, they have remember you used to have the you used to have to put this little metal thing inside the cases to have them stick. Well, they just pretty much did away with that and then made everything into one nice, easy system. So I want to do a brief unboxing for you guys, man, show you what the case looks like. And on the phone, you can see the button cutouts on the side there. Nothing along this side. Then you got your ports open on the bottom there, and then the microphone on the top. And that's ultimately it. No lip protection on this case at all, folks. Remember, this is a minimum case. So that is how the phone will look in the case. There you have it. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. And I'll see you in the next one. Take care.